Perfectionism at its finest. Presenting Jennens Court in Birmingham. A home to over 590 students and young professionals, this property is the ideal choice for you. Every room here comes with a private bathroom. Students get a choice between an ensuite room where you'll share your kitchen and lounge space or a private studio where everything is just for you. The choice is yours. Once you're done with your work, you can head to the common areas furnished with sofas, a TV, a foosball table, and a pool table to enjoy your free time in bliss. Once it's time to work, head to the study room or the cafe that's present at the property. The location is perfect, as it's placed just minutes away from universities such as Aston University, Birmingham City University, and the University of Birmingham campuses. Also based here in East Side, you can make full use of the neighboring East Side City Park, a 6.75-acre area of green space, and the creative quarter of Digbeth is also close by, where you'll find independent shops, street food, the Mockingbird Cinema, and markets. Don't wait on your dreams any longer. Head to amberstudent.com to make your booking today.